Welcome to GSI's Surgical Instrument Repair Training Program. Section 5, Tissue Forceps Components. Tissue forceps come in many different sizes and teeth patterns with 3 different characteristics consisting of tissue forceps with teeth at the tip, tissue forceps with teeth in the jaws similar to the jaws of ring forceps, and tissue forceps with both teeth at the tip and teeth in the jaws. Its components consist of 2 body pieces joined at the base and the 3 basic jaw patterns previously described. Please pause this program at this point to become familiar with these component parts. Tissue forceps component review. Tissue forceps have a joined base, 2 body pieces, the jaws with teeth at the tip, teeth in the jaws, teeth in the tip and the jaws.